Alam nyo ba na for only 299 pesos, may unlimited 16 flavors chicken wings na kayo. 199 pesos naman para sa kanilang unlimited 16 flavors chicken thigh. Sobrang sulit, di ba? Tara na sa Wing City, Porac, Pampanga na talaga namang dinudumog at pinipilahan. Kaya kabalen, maganda ka na sa ating food trip. Nabail ko pala dyan yung kanilang 369 pesos na unlimited chicken wings, rice, drinks, fries, pasta, and unlimited dip sauce na. May enjoy natin dito yung kanilang Wing City na 16 signature flavors. Katulad ng classic, lemon glaze, buffalo wing, sweet chili sauce, garlic parmesan, barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, honey butter sauce, chili sauce, soy garlic, cheese sauce, salted egg, yum Korean sauce, special Korean sauce, original garlic mayo, and yung kanilang Wing City gravy sauce. After nyo mag food trip, pwede din kayong tumambay sa alfresco nila para mag-coffee. Open pala sila ng Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Along the highway lang ito at located sa Purok 1, Barangay Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga. Same building ng 7-Eleven at nasa second floor sila. Kaya guys, para sa sulit at swak na budget na unlimited 16 flavors na chicken wings, tara na at mag-visit dito sa Wing City, Porac, Pampanga.